Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your YouTube playback error. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and ensure you have a stable internet connection. In order to do so, try to switch between or toggle between your Wi-Fi or mobile data just to give it that quick refresh. Or you could also simply restart your router. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and restart your device, because power cycling your phone, computer or TV can resolve these glitches. Final thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store and simply go ahead and search for YouTube just like that, in order to check if there are any updates available. Tap on the application, and if there are newer versions and updates available, the blue open button is going to be a blue update button. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.